Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to build a simple yet powerful Spring Boot RESTful API for a bookstore. We'll cover everything from setting up the project to creating the API endpoints, handling exceptions, and managing database interaction. We'll also deploy this application to AWS Cloud. So let's get started. Before we dive into API development, let's make sure we have got all the prerequisites covered. You'll need the Java Development Kit. Make sure you have JDK 11 or higher installed. You can grab it from Oracle JDK website or you can use OpenJDK. To verify that everything's set up correctly, just open up your terminal or command prompt and run java-version. I already have set up my OpenJDK version 17. I am using Amazon Corretto for the same. You'll also need an integrated development environment or IDE. Some great options are IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse or Spring Tool Suite known as STS. Lastly, you'll also need to set up your database, install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench from the MySQL website. This tool will help you to manage your database effectively. Having a basic understanding of Spring Boot will be super helpful. If you are new to it, don't worry. We are going to use Spring Initializer to quickly create our Spring Boot project with all the necessary dependencies. So go to start.spring.io and select the language as Java. And we are going to use Maven for our build automation and dependency management. Choose Spring Boot as 3.3.0. This is the latest version. We'll now enter all the project metadata. com. So we can write Spring Boot. Artifact is Bookstore. And yeah, that's it. Let's say Spring Boot and AWS Cloud deployment project. And let us add some of the dependencies. First of all, we will add Lombok. We will have developer tools. Then we would have MySQL JDBC driver. We would have validator and click on generate. Once you have all prerequisites in place, you will be all set to start developing your Spring Boot application. Let's get coding.